Hello Amazon, today I'm doing a quick review of the We Are Memory Keepers Typewriter. This is your old school classic typewriter. No USB cord, no power cord, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no electricity, no nothing, just like the olden days. And it is super cool. It's very mechanical. As you can see, this top cover comes off, and look at that. Anyone who's not old enough to remember would love to see the marvel of this machinery. No electricity used at all. Put this cover back on. I like this thing. It's really cool. Everything functions just like a good old-fashioned typewriter. As you can see, types good. And then you can zip it back. The paper comes in and out just like you're used to. So you can adjust it like this. So very cool. It's a little heavy, which is a good thing. It's got some weight to it. But this is so cool. It's just a statement piece, or for kids to play with, or for you to write letters to send to people and do something a little more personalized that people would appreciate, like a thank you card or love letter or whatever. But very cool. I did buy it just to kind of sit out more and be a statement piece. The kids do play with it a little bit. People compliment me on it. So I definitely suggest picking one up. You won't be disappointed. It's just a good old-fashioned typewriter. How cool is that? All right. Well, enjoy. Take care.